Hello students, welcome to MGC Learning. Today I am going to teach you the subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy. The topic is Dissolution of Partnership Firm. Let's go to the problem, students. First we'll read the problem. Yes, the problem is from a government textbook, question number 7, page number 247. Shailesh, Sumit and Hemant were partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. They decide to dissolve their partnership firm on 31st March 2019. The balance sheet on that date stood as. Now in balance sheet you are having capital account of Shailesh, Sumit and Hemant, loan account, creditors account, bank overdraft account, plant, debtors and stock. As you know, students, it was agreed that Shailesh discharge the loan and take away the debtors at the book value. Plant realized 1,35,000, stock realized 72,000, creditors were paid at a discount of rupees 45. So realization account, partners capital account and bank account. Now see students, they are asking you a bank account. Now I cannot see bank balance, but here I am having a bank overdraft. And everybody knows what is the meaning of bank overdraft. What is the meaning? Bank overdraft means you are allowed to withdraw the money in the excess. Whenever even you have a negative balance, the bank will allow you to remove the money in the specific amount in which they have given you a bank overdraft. So that means instead of debit balance, you are going to have a credit balance in your bank's account. Okay? बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट का मतलब क्या है? आपको बैंक ने एक लोन दिया है कि आप अपने जीरो बैलेंस से एक अमाउंट, सपोज 50,000 का मुझे लोन दिया है, तो 50,000 तक मैं नेगेटिव में जा सकती हूँ. ओके, सो दिस टाइम इंस्टेड ऑफ डेबिट बैलेंस इन बैंक अकाउंट यू आर गोइंग टू हैव अ क्रेडिट बैलेंस. चलो फास्ट. What are we going to do? We are going to post all this thing. Capital account will go in capital, loan and creditors will go in realization credit side, plant, debtors and stock will go on realization debit side. I have already done and kept it for you. See, sundry asset, plant, debtor, stock, liabilities, loan, creditors, partners I have written by balance breakdown, and in bank I have written on the credit side. You know why? Because it is in bank overdraft. Chalo, now let's start with the problem. What is your first adjustment saying? Your first adjustment is saying Shailesh to discharge loan and take debtors at book value. So when your Shailesh is discharging the loan, so it will come here to Shailesh capital account. So Shailesh capital account, what is the value of loan is 12,000 in the book value is taken. Okay, same way in credit side he is even taking a debtors also. So by Shailesh, I have already told you. You know, if a partner takes something, this will be the entry which will be passed. Okay. So now Shailesh account, what is the value of debtors? Debtors is 45,000. See, when partners take away the asset, the journal entry is partners capital account debit to realization account. And when partners take away the liability, the journal entry is realization account debit to partners capital account. Chalo. So in partners capital, it will come as, for taking a liability, it will come as by realization account. Yes, how much is a Shailesh taking? You know, loan he was taking at 12,000 and he has even taken a debtors. So see, when a partner takes away, this way you are going to write. We take away the asset, it comes on the debit side. If we take away the liability, it comes on the credit side. Okay. Chalo, next. What was the next adjustment? Plant realized 1,35,000, stock realized 72,000 and debtors were paid at a discount of rupees 45. So when the things are sold, what is the entry? Yes, bank account debit to realization account. So you are going to write here by bank. Yes, whatever things is going on. Yes, plant. Yes, what was the sale price of plant? 1,35,000. And then stock. What was the stock ka selling price? The stock ka selling price was 72,000. Come on, total this both the items. Now we are going to totaling of this both the items. So 1,35,000 plus 72,000. So I get how much? 2,07,000. So my total comes to 2,07,000. Okay. And then creditors were paid at discount of 45 rupees. So now to again bank, when you pay something, it comes as, what is a journal entry? Realization account debit to bank account. Okay. So at the discount of 45, from 9,000 you minus 45, what will be the entry? Yes, 9,000 minus 45. What you get? 8955. So here it will come as 8955. Okay. Now both the second transaction will come in bank. See, when money comes in, it is to realization. You know, debit. Whenever the money comes in, always on debit side, and when money goes out, it is always on your credit side. Okay. And then your payment was made, so payment means credit side. So to realization account, how much you have made the payment? Yes, 8955. Okay students, so by this, see, we have completed all the entries of uh, in the problem. So only what is left out is our totaling part. You know, the first totaling will be done. As I've taught you, you have to write everything in pencil and then you do the totaling. Do you remember it? Chalo, 21,000 plus 45,000 plus 2,07,000. What is the amount? 2,73,000. So here you'll get 2,73,000. And what about the debit side? Yes, what was the debit side? Debit side is 2,40,000 plus 12,000 plus 8,955. Yes, how much you get? Two. Yeah, what was the entry? 2,40,000 plus 12,000 plus 8,955. Yeah, what is your total here? 2,60,955. So 2,60,955. Now tell me students, which side is a bigger one? 2,60,000 is bigger or 2,73,000? Obviously 2,73,000. So what are you going to do? 2,73,000 minus 2,60,955. So the difference is happening. 2,73,000 minus 2,60,955. Yes, the difference is coming to 12,045 rupees. So you are going to write here 12,045 and the gross total is 2,73,000 and here also 2,73,000, and this you are supposed to rub it off. So I'm rubbing it. Okay, now this thing is going to be divided between our three partners. And what was the profit sharing ratio? The profit sharing ratio was 2:1. That is 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, so now this belongs to our old partners, Hemant. I'm just writing the up way. Hemant, Sumit, Sailesh, and here 2, capital account. Okay, now you are going to divide this. So divide by 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So you are dividing it by 5. So you get the answer 2409. So Hemant is getting one part. So Hemant is 2409 and other two partner you are going to multiply it by 2. So you get the answer 4881. So you're going to get 4818. Again this person 4818. So this is a profit. The profit is going to be written on the credit side. So you'll write here by realization account. Okay, by realization account. Yes. How much this person is getting? This is getting 4818. This person is getting 4818. This person is getting 2409. Now final balance. Now see, I can see that my credit side is bigger. So I'm going to write my credit card total. So this comes to 32,409. There is nothing on the debit side. So this will only be paid him back. Here it's coming at 64,818. Yes. So here also it will come as 64,818. Now yahan ka total, you will be doing this total. Now that others were very simple, I did it orally. 90,000 plus 12,000 plus 4818. Yes, so the total is coming to 1,06,000. 1,06,818. Okay, so 1,06,818 minus 45,000. So what is the answer? 6181. So the answer is 61818. Okay, so here it will come as to bank account. You are going to do the final payment. Okay, so this is your final payment. So 106818 64818 32409. Now the final payment in the bank account. So all the partners are getting the money. So it is by Sailesh. By Sailesh capital account, Sailesh we are paying 61818. Then by Sumit, yes Sumit, I am paying 64818. And last but not the least, by Hemant. By Hemant, Hemant I am paying 32,409. Now last thing is totaling. Here we can see directly we can write 2,07,000. Was nothing else on the credit side. So 39,000 plus 8955 plus 61818 plus 64818 plus 32,409. So your total comes to 2,07,000. Okay, so 2,07,000. Okay students, so both the things are tally. That means our problem is correct. So yeah, by this we have completed this problem. Now students, the homework, I have done the ledger part. You will be doing the journal part. Remember, on the first day I require the book of each and every student. Okay, chalo, thank you. Stay home safe and enjoy learning with MJC Learning.